Welcome back to Redneck's Dirty Hands, and today we're going to be clearing the pond off for my youngest daughter, Alicia. We just picked her up some new skates. She's been dying to get on the pond. It's finally cold enough, it's thick enough. So I had the Viking on there, scraping it off, but there's a crust of snow on there that the plow just doesn't want to get off. So I think we're going to try and get that off redneck style. Alright, Alicia's got a new pair of skates. We need to clear the pond off. It's got a bit of a hard crust on there that's kind of hard to get with the plow, so we're just gonna loosen that up. I think I'm having more fun than she will be when she's skating. Oh yeah. Alright, well, I'm finished with the Viking, clearing all that crusty snow off. Here's my little sweetheart, Alicia. What do you think?
It should be smoother.
Smoother?
Yes.
The Viking didn't do a good enough job?
No.
So
It just cleared the snow off.
yeah. So you want me to polish it?
Yes.
I think I got an idea. Alright, well, I almost dumped it over again there at the end, which seems to be a regular occurrence for me, but Juju was helping out. She was holding the camera there for that one. Thanks, Julia.
You're welcome.
What do you think of the ice now, Sheesh?
Yes.
Oh, thumbs up, eh?
Yes.
Alright, let's...
I can't move my feet. I am stuck.
Does the snowmobile do a pretty good job of polishing the ice?
It looks smooth.
I can barely do a thumbs up.
It does look smooth, doesn't it?
There.
So you don't need a real Zamboni, you just need a Yamboni. The Yamaha Dicer does a perfect job. Hey, Sheesh. Been a while since you've been on skates?
Yeah, it's been like Well, Ow!
The youngest one doesn't mind trying skating. The oldest one, no, boots are fine. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in for this short little video of how to clear your pond the redneck way. Sheesh, do you enjoy it?
Yes.
Now you can skate?
It's terrifying.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn the notification bell on, and leave a comment if you like. Take her easy.